What? At the world, it's not a plan. Here we go on. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know what time it is, you know. Full effecting, man. You know it go already, you know. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about you. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite. You're damn right about that. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man. Gaza Nation. Why Aidonia I hate against Vybz Kartel? Because him is a big coward, that's why. I'm going to make you know. When him there Trinidad, you know, and I tell Trinidad people, say, him and Vybz Kartel are the wickedest artists. I hype him that look from Vybz Kartel. But you Vybz Kartel not give him the glory where him want, because Vybz Kartel come and lick out upon him. You say Vybz Kartel that come and big him up, then him thing would have shot, and him would have loved that. But you the man lick out upon him a carry feelings. Remember I not did it. Your own Vybz Kartel, you know, my virgin. Remember, you know, when Scatter Burrell there with your career in a gang bang, you know, and I push him family when him Hollow Point, you know, over here, you know. Remember you ball to Vybz Kartel and Kartel carry to Bounty Killer, my brother. Remember that, you know. Remember 2007 sting in Aidonia. Remember, you know, you go up on the stage in your full white and say, girl, a spin pan scatter tongue. And after that, you left sting and go a Spectrum and tell the whole of Spectrum, say you do it a sting already. You know what I mean? And sting a bigger place than you saw. And you repeat back the same thing. Say, girl, a spin pan scatter tongue. You see me? And you get highlight on them shit there. Tell the man them we go and make your career no bigger than this. Because you're a coward. Because them go see up on picture with Kartel and some look a spin barrel in that surface zone. I don't know if it's a false one or a real one. And the police them all on both of you. Police them all on you and Kartel. And you get bail. When you get bail, you take it to Winford Williams. And I talk about your mother a teacher, your father a soldier, your mother a ball, and she a ball, and so you're done with them things there, you're not do that. And you run and disappear from Kartel because you're a coward. You see me? And I act like you're tough now. You see what I deal with? Now you act like you're tough. You see what I deal with? Remember what make you run, man. Remember too, you're a coward, man. You're not tough, man, and you can't take pressure neither, because the man just take something and tag you, man. And when the man tag you, man, it come like you get right up now your feelings instantly, man. You're right up, be a fuck up on the page and I go like you're a joker. You're an artist or what? You're a wicked artist or you're a baby artist? You're a chup artist? Me, you're